Welcome to our YouTube video on mastering data management tools in GIS. Let's learn about essential tools in data management tools, which are the Editor Toolbar, Geoprocessing Tools, ModelBuilder, and AttributeTable. In today's video, we will learn how to explore practical workflows to open and work with these tools in your GIS software. First, Editor Toolbar. The Editor Toolbar is a powerful tool in GIS software that allows users to edit spatial data. It typically provides a set of tools for creating, modifying, and managing geographic features within a GIS project. The Editor Toolbar is commonly used in tasks, such as digitizing new features, editing existing features, and managing attribute data associated with geographic features. To open and work with the Editor Toolbar, follow these steps. Open your GIS software, such as ArcGIS or QGIS. Load a GIS project or create a new one. Navigate to the Toolbar menu or Toolbar customization options in your GIS software. Enable the Editor Toolbar by selecting it from the list of available toolbars. The Editor Toolbar should now be visible in your GIS software's user interface. Once the Editor Toolbar is enabled, you can access a variety of editing tools, such as creating new features, modifying existing features, and managing attribute data. Common tools found in the Editor Toolbar include Create Features. This tool allows you to create new geographic features, such as points, lines, and polygons, by clicking on the map. Modify Features. This tool allows you to modify existing geographic features, such as moving, resizing, or reshaping them. Delete Features. This tool allows you to delete selected geographic features from the map. Attribute Editor. This tool allows you to view and edit the attributes of selected geographic features in a tabular format. Second, Geoprocessing Tools. Geoprocessing tools are a set of powerful tools in GIS software that allows users to perform various spatial analysis and processing tasks. These tools can be used to manipulate and analyze geographic data, such as performing spatial queries, buffering, clipping, and merging data layers. To access and work with geoprocessing tools, follow these steps. Open your GIS software, such as ArcGIS or QGIS. Load a GIS project or create a new one. Navigate to the Geoprocessing menu or toolbox in your GIS software. Browse and select the specific geoprocessing tool that you want to use. Specify the input data, parameters, and output options for the selected geoprocessing tool. Run the geoprocessing tool to perform the desired spatial analysis or processing task. Geoprocessing tools typically require input data, which can be loaded from existing data layers or created from scratch, and parameters that control the behavior of the tool. Once the tool is executed, it will generate output data, which can be displayed on the map or saved to a new data layer. Third, ModelBuilder. ModelBuilder is a visual programming environment available in some GIS software, such as ArcGIS, that allows users to create custom geoprocessing workflows by visually connecting and configuring a series of geoprocessing tools. ModelBuilder provides a graphical interface for designing and automating complex spatial analysis and processing tasks, making it a powerful tool for creating custom GIS workflows. To create and work with a model in ModelBuilder, follow these steps. Open your GIS software that supports ModelBuilder, such as ArcGIS. Load a GIS project or create a new one. Navigate to the ModelBuilder interface or menu in your GIS software. Create a new model by dragging and dropping geoprocessing tools onto the ModelBuilder canvas. Connect the tools by drawing lines to define the input and output data connections. Configure the parameters and settings for each geoprocessing tool in the model. Run the model to execute the entire geoprocessing workflow in a single step. ModelBuilder provides a visual way to design and automate complex geoprocessing workflows, allowing users to create custom GIS tools and streamline their spatial analysis and processing tasks. Fourth, AttributeTable. The AttributeTable is a key component of GIS software that allows users to view, manage, and analyze the attribute data associated with geographic features. Attribute data. also known as attribute information or simply attributes, are the non-spatial data that describe the characteristics or properties of geographic features, such as attributes of a point, line, or polygon. To open and work with the attribute table, follow these steps. Open your GIS software, such as ArcGIS or QGIS. Load a GIS project that contains the geographic features whose attribute data you want to view and manage. Select the geographic feature layer in the table of contents or layers panel of your GIS software. Right-click on the selected layer and choose the Open Attribute Table option from the context menu. Once the attribute table is opened, you will see a tabular view of the attribute data associated with the geographic features in the selected layer. Each row in the table represents a single geographic feature, and each column represents an attribute field, which contains the attribute values for the corresponding features. The attribute table provides various functionalities for managing and analyzing attribute data, including view and edit attributes. You can view and edit the attribute values of the features in the table. You can also add, delete, or modify attribute fields. Sort and filter data. You can sort the attribute data based on one or more attribute fields, and you can apply filters to display only the features that meet specific criteria. Perform calculations. You can perform calculations on attribute values using mathematical, logical, and string functions, allowing you to derive new information from the attribute data. Join and relate data. You can join attribute data from one table to another based on a common field, or you can relate data between tables to establish relationships and perform queries. Select and export data. You can select features in the table based on attribute values, and you can export the attribute data to various formats, such as CSV, Excel, or shapefile, for further analysis or sharing. The attribute table is a powerful tool for managing and analyzing attribute data associated with geographic features, and it plays a critical role in GIS workflows that involve data analysis, querying, and reporting. Thank you for joining us in this video. We hope you found the information helpful in enhancing your GIS skills. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more informative GIS tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more videos on GIS, data analysis, and geospatial technology. See you in the next video.